Happy Mail Queen. Today I am boxing up some happy mail, some thank you mail that I'm sending out, and I thought, why not do a video? Um, I know a lot of you guys like process videos. I do too. So, yes, that's what my video is about today. I actually decorated a policy envelope. I've been like packaging things, but I hadn't recorded it. So, this is one that I created just a couple of days ago, and it's using the Doodlebug French Kiss, and it's really super simple. All I did was take some tulle. I just wrapped it all around, and here's the back. I like to decorate the back, or this is what I call the back, and this is the front where you open it. Just wrap some tulle. I have a bunch of these hearts, and I'm sure a lot of you guys do also. These are the foam hearts. And I just did that. Look, it's so simple, but it's so cute, right? I already have something inside it, and these are super easy to decorate. But I thought I'd go ahead and share that with you guys, and then maybe we can go ahead and just create some, just follow me as I package some things. So here I have another policy envelope that I had already created. And if you guys want a tutorial on how to create a policy envelope, I believe Anna Serenity Creations has one, and I'll see if I can find you guys the link. But I go ahead and just start off with putting some tulle, and I got this tulle from Hobby Lobby. I was going to use my hot glue gun, but I realized I didn't plug it in, so I'm just going to go ahead and use some Fabri-Tac just to attach it. And I basically just wrapped it around, and I'm just gonna let the tails just fall down, kind of cascade down before I put any more embellishments. And here, this is something that I created last year, actually. That heart, the only thing I added is the dangle, which I had created for my design team project for Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And since I have this already made, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue that down, and I popped it up with some foam tape. And then this is a canvas, like glittered canvas from Hobby Lobby, and I just used one of my heart dies. And basically that's all I did in the front or the back. And then here, this is from Target, the little arrow wooden sticker, and I can't remember if this was from last year or the year before, but I'm just going to hang the tassel on that, and then I'm just going to put a felt heart. I'm looking for some something to put in the middle there, and I think I do end up putting a felt heart sticker. And that's it. And then you guys know I've been making these, and now I gotta package them, and I'm like nervous because I want to make sure that it does not fall apart or anything. I couldn't find a small box, so what I'm gonna do is bubble wrap this, and then I will put it in this pink bag that I have there to the left. So that way I think I'll be okay, and it should not get damaged. So I'm also gonna wrap some tissue paper around it before I stick it in the bag, and I'll probably maybe even add some either packing peanuts or some shreds in there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap a little ribbon around the tissue paper just to make it look nicer. And I love this gingham ribbon that I got. I haven't done a haul video on it, but I actually got that from Amazon, and you get a lot, and I love it, and it worked out really well. So to complete it, I just added this tag that I had created last year. Next, we have these envelopes from Target, and they hold quite a bit. This one is a box envelope, and the other one is a felt envelope. So I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and decorate each one. So I'm going to go ahead and first of all just get some trim. I don't want to cover up the message there, so I'm just going to add trim to the bottom, and I have some ribbon as well. And I'm going to use this Ofray trim, and I love it. It's tulle, like a tulle tassel. You guys have seen me use these, and I have them in different colors, and I usually get them from Walmart. I'm just going to go ahead and glue this on using some hot glue. Once I have the trim all around, I'm going to go ahead and just use some Fabri-Tac to attach or layer on top this pretty pink ribbon that I got from Michaels. And I love how it has the little silver dots in the middle. And they have this in at least a couple of different colors, because I do have this in a kind of a minty blue color as well. So this is just gonna go all the way around. As you can see, I am just gluing it. I'm going to create a bow using that same ribbon, and this is a bow maker that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm just going to create a nice, cute, very simple bow. And I'm just fussing with it a little bit here, and just dovetailing the ends there. And now I'm just going to fill it up with some embellishments that I created since last year. Actually, I made a bunch, so I didn't make too many embellishments this year because I have plenty to give out. I attached some charms on this die cut here. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and do the same thing here with this envelope. As you can see, I've already put the trim, the pink trim, and now I'm just going to go ahead and layer that with this pretty ribbon, and this is the one I was talking about. It came in a different color. So I'm just using hot glue, and you're going to see later on I'm also going to use some Fabri-Tac for the top. I don't know, I just felt like I could control the Fabri-Tac more than the hot glue, so plus it won't be like bulky or anything. So you're gonna find I tend to do this. I use different kinds of adhesives all the time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue that all the way around, just like I did with the first envelope that I did. And I'm just gonna decorate this pretty simply, you guys. Here I just added a bow that I just made, and I used what do you call it, pipe cleaners, just to twist in the middle to create that bow. And then I just added felt. I have all these felt hearts that I've accumulated over the years, felt hearts and heart bling, but they come in really handy. So here I'm just filling this up with a card that I made, as well as these embellishments from last year, and yeah, just sharing with my friends. So I decided to go ahead and also decorate the back with some foam hearts. I think I got these, I'm not sure if it was Michael's or Target. Just trying to use up my stash, you guys. That is basically what I tried to do this year. I bought a lot of home decorations, but I tried to really stay away from buying too much stickers and things like that, because I have so much. This is some Doodlebug again, the French Kiss. I used 3 different collections this year. I used the Doodlebug and some crepe paper. It's either La La Love or All Heart. And what's the other one? Main Squeeze as well, I think. So again, just trying to use up my stash. And I just went ahead and just layered some die cuts, just glued it with my Fabri-Tac. And I also used some foam tape just to pop it up. And I definitely didn't want to make this too bulky, because I'm going to be putting this in a box, and I tend to stuff my box, as you guys know. So that is, and I think we're done. So the next thing is I have this teeny tiny felt pocket, heart pocket, and again I made a bow and I just attached it on the top. I have this little left of that trim, and I thought I'd go ahead and just use it, so I'm going to also add some trim here on the bottom pocket there. So I just really love these frilly trims. It just adds so much to your project. And just be careful of the hot glue if you're doing this with me. I like to protect my fingers, as you can see there. I have my silicone finger protector. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead after this. I'm going to add some very thin ribbon that I can't remember if I got it at Michael's or Joann's. I want to say maybe at Michael's. And just don't mind me here, I'm just fussing with this. And I decided to add a tassel just around that button on the bottom. And I'm just going to use this to hold some clothespins. So here's the very thin trim that I was talking about. It's really pretty. It's very light pink, and it has some sparkly silver on it. And I can't remember where I got it. I think it was at Michael's. I think it was part of like a trim set. And again, fussing with that bow. Just trying to get it perfect, but it still didn't come out perfect. And then I just decided to use that same ribbon and created just some teeny tiny bows. And I'm going to be placing this on the ends there just to make it cuter. and you know, just to make it look more finished. So this little pocket here, heart pocket, has lots of bows. Okay, and I think that's basically all I do, and then I went ahead and just put all the clothespins, and this is just a great way to gift some clothespins. And for this one here, I just used a clear bag and some washi, some picks for my stash, and all I did was just attach those picks with the washi tape. I just layered it, so simple. And next we're gonna go ahead and create some panels for my medium flat rate box that I'll be sending. I cut some cardstock using these measurements, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the die cuts from Michael's. I think these were from, I don't know, a couple of years ago maybe. I'm just trying to use my stash again, so these are actually, some of them are actually stickers, cardstock stickers from Michael's, and you get a lot in this bag. So I also use my decorative punch here to punch the corners. It's the one I got from Urban Gems recently. If you guys missed that haul, just check it out. And again, I'm using a pick here and just gluing a felt heart. And so I'm just putting a decorative corner on all of my panels. Just use the same style punch there. And again, I'm just trying to figure out how to decorate this next panel. I ended up not using those. I used this donut instead. The others were just too tall. And then I decided to decorate with some washi. So again, trying to use my stash, because God knows we have so many washi tape. This is the washi tape is the one that was gifted to me by my bestie Sophia, and it is the one from Pink Paisley, Lucky Us. And here again, I'm using those die cut stickers, and these are nice and big, so they really work well for decorating these panels. And what else? I think I'm just gonna add some more felt hearts, and then eventually I think I also use some gems. And the round gems are from my friend Tara. You guys know her as Nurse Tara on YouTube. And here's my last panel, again using those die cuts, and really enjoyed making these. You guys know I love making these panels, and I was trying to get creative here and just used some washi tape, just kind of use it as a background before I put that little cupcake die cut. So just to give it some interest, I guess. So again, use all the washi tape, you guys. We have a lot. And there you go. I just added some more gems, and I think that's it. I am done. Alright, and this is how it looks like. All packaged and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!